Okay, so now I'm going to do the example of the Explore down here for you. The question is, what proportion of students at your school like Twitter or use Twitter? To find out, you decide to survey a simple random sample of students from your school. In your sample of 50 students, 76% say that they use Twitter. Describe how you could select a simple random sample of 50 students using a random number generator. Clearly, West Hills High School has way more students than 50, but that's how many you want to actually collect data from. You also want it to be a simple random sample, meaning that you want the entire population included in this, not just people in stats classes or not just people that are seniors like you guys. So in this one, you have to open it up to every West Hills students. What I would do to describe how I would do this, I would actually use a random number generator, but before I did that, I would number the students. I think we have a little over 1,600 students. I would alphabetize all of them and number them 0, 0, 0, 1, like a thousands place, right? Like a 4-digit number, 0, 0, 0, 1 through, let's say we had 1,625. Okay, 1,625. So I would number them that way, and then I would actually use a random number generator to do that. How you do that is in your calculator. You can actually use a random number generator. I wonder if our Stapplet does it. I'm going to check really quick. We're gonna kind of shy away from it, so I'm not going to take too much time to do that. Let me see. Simulation. No. I actually don't see the random number generator on here. Okay, so I'm going to shy away from that anyways. That's not what we're going to be doing in this class. Instead, what we're going to be doing is using this table. So this table, again, can be found inside this module a little bit before this lesson. So now I would ask you guys to grab from line 115 the first 2 people that would fit into your survey. So the way that we would do this is because we numbered them 001 through 1625, I would grab these in 4-digit chunks. So my first number that I would get is 6104. Well, that's not within that region, right? 6100 is not in there. So I go to the next 4 digits. 1776. Oh, just missed. So 8494. Nope. 3222. 3,222, no. 4,709, no. 7369, no. 8145, no. 2,631, no. 8,933, no. 2,592, no. So I have to go to the next line, okay? 1445, there it is. There's my first person. Whoever is number 1445, okay, probably towards the end of the alphabet, that is going to be my first person. I'm going to keep going. 9260, no. 5631, no. 4248, no. 0371, there is my lucky number 2. I will sample 0371. That's my second person. Okay. You can see that doing this by hand would be very hard if I wanted 50 people, and that's why I won't ever ask you guys for more than like 5, although I would even make it smaller numbers. But that gives you an example of how we're going to do this in our class. The next question is, will your sample result be exactly the same as the true population for all students? I think that that's pretty common sense that it will not. Samples are never going to yield the exact, well, they might, but they would have to be a very, very large sample. It would have to be probably 70% of the class that weighed in to get really close. So in this one, it says, will your sample result be exactly the same as the true population or proportion for all students? The answer to that is no, it will not be. It's going to be off a little bit for the sample, but I will say one thing. The more people or the more students that you sample, the closer you're going to get to that true population.